Oh, please, don't you know?
Please. I will kill you. Please, I'll kill you. I will kill you.
I will kill you. Shut up.
No, I will kill you.
I will kill you.
I'll keep the secret. I'll keep the secret. Please, I'll keep the secret.
I will kill you.
Not even our children will know. I'll not tell my children. Just this body. Not even our children will know. Please, I'll keep the secret. I'll keep the secret.
Mama, what secret are you talking about? Shut up! Leave my mother's mouth! Mama, what secret are you talking about? Eh? Secret. I don't know. Mama.
What is it?
What is the secret?
I don't know.
Mama, what is the secret?
Secret, quoi? What secret?
Mama, don't pretend as if you don't know what I'm talking about. What secret do you have with me?
Secret? You're depressed, my daughter. There's no secret.
Mama, I cannot be depressed.
You're worried. You need some rest.
No, Mama. What secret do you have with that devil incarnate? How can you be saying I'm depressed? I know what I saw. It was so clear.
My daughter, come.
Oh, you're lying to me.
You need some rest. You need some rest there.
No, Mama, you're lying to me. I need to know the truth.
You need some rest.
In a twinkle, and the first becomes the last. Last becomes the first. That said, pride goes before the fall. Yeah. It's why I'm standing twice as tall. Hate is an enemy, but love is a good neighbor. No one is an island. Everybody needs somebody. Someone.
How far? Yeah? Where? Yeah? Where's your mother? Where is your mother? I see your mother is not around.
She's not around now. What do you mean? I said she's not around.
Where's my money? Can I go?
Which one?
My house rent. Isn't which money? Where's my money?
We don't have it yet. When we have it, we will pay.
Look at the way she's saying it. We don't have it here. My friend, where's my money? Give me my money now.
I told you that we don't have the money. When we get the money, we will pay you. Is that kind of money?
Is that what you're telling me?
What do you want me to say? We don't have the money now.
Listen, I'm going to that house now. When I get there, I will break the door and pack all your properties outside. I don't care.
Hey, so no. I know you're a man, and the house belongs to you people. But Stanley, you cannot go there and pack our things out of the house.
Eh?
You cannot now.
Is that what you're telling me? Yeah, Kina, go on. Jay, just wait. Keep frying your akara.
Don't you give up.
Yeah.
You will always overcome. So overcome. You will always.
Hey! Make a noise! Leave this house with your mother. I say you must leave this house today.
If you're not scared, come close.
Oh! You got a knife for me? Huh? In my own house?
What house?
In my own house?
Our house.
Are you mad? We don't want your money again. You brought a knife for me. You and your mother must leave this house today. I am telling you. Unless it is not my name. See, you must leave this house today. I am telling you.
Huh? You cannot chase me out of this house. And if you dare come close to me, I don't know.
Hey!
Hey!
You want to go in my own house?
Now who they cause this wahala? Oh my God. Now who they cause this trouble? Now what do you want to get?
Yes! I have tied my work clothes. See my work clothes? Today, Norma will know that I'm not just a fighter, but she will know me as a good taekwondo. in her chest. And she's off. Mama, no time for this. I don't want them to injure my Stanley from you. They will not injure him. Even though I know he's not strong enough to fight them. But they will not overcome him. It's not a fight for house rent. I want to eliminate Norma out of the way. If not, why fed the bedroom?
Mama, wait. I don't understand. Fight for house rent or fight for... What is going on?
Sorry, I wasn't talking to you. I was just overwhelmed. I'm sorry. Let's go. Let's go. Let's hurry. It's just out of my mind. Let's hurry. Let's hurry. Please, let's hurry. Mama,
it's not the end, even if it don't end, if it's a get you past two, yeah. Are you ready to reap what you sow? Reap what you sow. Are you ready to reap what you sow? Troublemaker.
Purity, man. Hey, they should not kill my daughter for me. Hey, Purity. Purity. Hey, they should not kill my daughter for me. Hey, Purity.
And if you dare come close to me, I don't know Japanese or banana.
Hey!
Hey,
You want to stay in my own house? In my own house? You must leave this house today. We don't... Look at this girl, oh. She's threatening me with a knife.
What can you do?
My friend, hey! Are you mad? They don't want to leave this house. What is going on?
Pack her things and throw her out. Where's that your useless mother?
Mama, how can I go inside when she's holding a knife?
Come now. Let me pieces you into shreds.
Mama, this girl is mad, though.
You can do nothing.
Oh, yeah, now pour out.
You can do nothing now.
Madam, get it. Today, you people are leaving this house. Today, you people are leaving. You people are leaving this house. Yeah? You say have this. Wait, Mama, Nabia, just hold on, Mama. Yeah? Yes, come. You must leave this house today. I say you must leave this house today. Yes.
You went to fetch water?
Yes, so how are you now?
What to do now? I'm fine. I have to help my mother in domestic activities. Where are you coming from?
I went to sell food crops then. I decided to buy stuffs in the market. I want to cook. I'm tired.
So you mean you've not been home since morning, eh?
No, I've not. Okay, later now.
Amaka.
What?
Amaka, you did not try. You did not try at all.
What happened?
I thought Preet is your very good friend, eh?
Yes. What happened?
Why didn't you go to help her to fight?
Fight, kwa?
Nweke and her son, Stanley, and Nwaka attacked them earlier today. They said it's house rent.
They said it's house rent,
But it's okay. Let me go and see for myself.
Amaka, are you sure you'll be fine?
Why can't we have peace in our home? What have we done?
Mama, this is a very terrible experience. The worst I've ever seen in my life.
It's terrible, my son. It's terrible.
How can someone just turn into a lion on someone else's property?
Okay, Franyu.
Own house,
Oh! Those people are evil, especially that girl, that Obanje girl called Purity.
Big Obanje. See the way she even attacks like a man.
Yes, because her wicked mother has invoked the spirit of a man into her. All you're busy her tool, she's manipulating. My own fear is that I hope one day they will not claim that house as their own. God forbid. To fear what will never happen. Never. Do they have the nerve?
My own inheritance.
My problem is that woman holds what rightfully belongs to me. She holds my progress. That's why I don't want to let her do it.
Hold your progress. Mama, I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
Please don't mind me. I'm overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed.
Okay.
Mama, you will do something. No? You have to do something fast.
Yes,
right. You can't sleep though.
Mama, you have to do something real fast because I don't have strength again. No. Especially to go and fight that one. It's like fighting 4 people at once.
No, don't worry.
I don't have strength.
You won't have to fight again.
You know me very well. I like fresh things. I don't like all this stress.
I am working on my next strategy to attack. But this one, Mochoko. By the time I finish it, everything will be gingem. Yes.
Gang.
Yes.
Okay now.
You know me now.
I know you, Mama.
Thank God she didn't enjoy you. Eh?
She can't enjoy
Wicked
Why
girl.
can't we
man, strong man.
in a home?
This rubbish they tried today. Okay. You're just the tip of the iceberg. They'll come back again. Useless people. Without conscience.
Hi. I'm sorry. Take it easy. It's okay. It's so painful.
I'm sorry.
Hi. Purity, take it easy. It's so painful.
So what's I hear is serious like this? How are you? I don't even know what is happening. It's like God has, his blessings and everything has departed from this household. Eh? What did we do now? What kind of rubbish is this?
I forbid you from using such words. No, don't use such words.
Purity, you can't be saying that. You can't say that. I am pained and confused. I can't even say anything. Eh? What is this? Look at how they came here and embarrassed my mother and I because of how much.
I have some money. I have money, yes. At least I believe it will help to pay the bills.
Oh,
We have to put the devil to shame. It's okay.
Oh, my daughter. Thank you. God will bless you, my daughter. God will so bless you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. God will bless you. My God will pay you back. How?
It's nothing. I'm family now. I can't help.
How?
It's not a problem.
Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you.
Try to keep your head up.
No, Mweke. It hasn't gotten to that. Your words sound as if both of you have some secrets or personal scores to settle outside this rent. Numbers daughter just told us that they have the money to pay for the rent. So why?
Cheers, or whatever you call yourself. The owner of the house in question decided that the tenant quit her property. So why are you so concerned about their issue?
Akadike, what are you insinuating?
That she can no longer accommodate them. And every one of us here knew that Mweke here has the right, full right, to decide who stays and who leaves.
Besides, when 2 palm trees are not in agreement, their branches can never rub each other.
Oh.
I sense murder.
Ikoku, Akadike, Akenwe, do not far. I suspect both of you.
What are you suspecting? What are you suspecting? I am the owner of the building. I decide what I do with my house. Norma and her daughter here should vacate my building. And nobody reverses my decision. That is final. They should leave. Oh, Guinea.
No problem. I have heard you. You will leave. But you have to give us an interval of 6 months to be able to vacate. And before then, know it that you will not be paying rent.
You must be very stupid. You must be very stupid and senseless for saying that. Try it now. No, try it.
You are the one who has lost your sense of time. In fact, you are very, very stupid.
Yeah.
I might be afraid of everybody in this village. Okay, forgive me.
Yes.
Me? Yes, you are now.
You hear what this girl is doing? You hear what this small girl is doing? I will kill this girl here. I will kill this girl here. I said I will kill this girl here.
It is either now or never. Where is the head that I lost? If I do not get that idiot out of the way, I will now be a loser. And where is the head that Mweke lost? Never! I will not lose. Awata. We will eat a dead rat together. God forbid. I will
try to keep your head above the water, under the water. Try to keep your head high. Oh.
Everybody get you away. Everybody get you away. Everybody get you away. And I see What is it? What have I done? Look at this devil. Look at this devil. Look at this devil. Touch me, I'll kill you.
Leave her alone.
If you touch me, I'll kill you.
Stop fighting.
If you touch me,
leave her alone.
I'll slap you. What is it? You devil. Touch me, I'll kill you. If you touch me, I'll kill you. If you touch me, what is it? Wait, can you?
Life will toss you out. Life will bring you down. Life will make you cry. Sometimes you try really very hard to overcome.
Mama! Mama!
Won't let you
Hey!
down.
What's going on here?
Life will make you cry.
What happened here?
Break your heart.
Where's my mother? Mama!
Don't
Mama!
you give up.
Mama!
'Cause you are
Mama!
overcome.
Mama!
You will always overcome.
Oh God, you're fine. Mama, I heard you want to fight Purity's mother.
What are you talking about? What? I don't know what you're talking about.
I went there and I
You saw nothing.
Sometimes you try really very hard to
Where's your mother?
Am I your mother's keeper?
What do you mean by that? Where is my mother? You fought with her, didn't you? You know exactly what I'm talking about. Where did you keep her?
I fought your mother? Probably you're dreaming. When you went there, did you see my picture or something? Maybe
I was told that you were fighting my mother.
I didn't fight your mother. I've not seen your mother in the last 1 week. What is that? Is that how you are? Talking nonsense? Maybe it has gotten into your head.
I am not talking nonsense, but we'll soon find out.
Whatever.
Why can't we have peace in our home?
Please. Mom, what are you talking about? I heard you went there to fight Purity's mother and
You heard? Who told you?
No, because when I went to her house, I saw blood on the footsteps. Yes, I did.
Those footsteps were mine. You saw my picture there? Come on. Can you please, let's go inside. You don't behave like Purity. Probably you two, you have something to do with your head too.
No, Mom. I'm sure
nothing.
about what
You know nothing. You saw nothing and you know nothing. Sally, can we go inside? Please come. Come inside.
Mama.
And the first becomes the last. Oh my God, now who the cost this bubble? Now what do you want to get?
Oh. What kind of problem is this? Eh? Why didn't that witch die? Eh? Why did that wicked woman die? Ah. Hi. This game is becoming something else. Eh? Thank God nobody heard her talk about the secret. Except her daughter, who doesn't even understand whether she was actually talking with her senses out of anxiety. That woman must die. Ikwensu must die.
Cause nothing can be hidden under the sun forever. Forever. So be careful with everything you do. Cause nothing can be hidden under the sun.
What is this I'm hearing?
What did you hear?
Is it true you had a fight with Noma today?
Tell me what you heard.
Norma is unconscious as a result of your fight with her.
Really?
Yes.
Unconscious?
Yes. Some youths found her in that state and took her to the hospital. I learned she lost a lot of blood.
Come with me.
Cause nothing can be hidden under the sun forever. Forever. So be careful with everything you do, yeah. Tomorrow they come home. Oh my God, now who they cause this trouble? What have we done?
What kind of problem is this? Huh? I pray this woman does not die, you. Else it's going to be hell on earth. Huh. God.
Please tell me now. Oh, please don't you mock my pain.
Poor woman.
What are you doing here? I've been searching everywhere for you. You look worried. Is it because of that normal situation?
Yeah. 1 kg. I'm tired of all this rubbish. Eh? I need a break. Because I don't understand what you and my mother is doing. Like, you guys are now confusing me. You push me here, you push me here, you push me there. I need a break. Let me plan my life and focus.
Honey?
What's the meaning of that? I don't understand. What do you mean by honey? Do I look like honey to you? I don't understand. I'm telling you something and you're still calling me honey. What's the meaning of that now? Honey how? Do I look like honey to you? Don't you know where you can go and get honey? Stop all this rubbish, my friend. What's the meaning of this? Stop it. I don't like it. I'm telling you what is going on. You people are pushing me up and down. You push me here, you push me. I don't want this thing in my life. I'm a man. Time is going. I don't have time. I'm getting old. You're still pushing me up and down. Please, I don't want this rubbish again. I don't want this nonsense. So go back to wherever you're coming from and stop disturbing my life. Leave me to be in peace. Nonsense every time.
Need a friend. Doesn't matter who's loud or staying.
You're still here.
We all have human needs. Doesn't matter who's rich or poor. Yeah, we all gonna die someday.
Wow.
Be careful what you do.
I look like honey to you. Honey. Idiot. Just carry one nonsense and come and keep for me. Tell me honey. What honey? You don't know what honey looks like.
going on now? Talk, you can't talk. Talk now.
Please tell me now.
Sister, Auntie Purity's mother was rushed to the hospital today.
What?
Yes.
How?
Is it not that Winchu man again? Yes, sister. She fought with Uncle Stanley's mother and Uncle Stanley's mother broke her head. As I speak with you right now, she's unconscious in the hospital.
What? We have to go there. Stay in the house. We're coming back now. Come. Come, just sit down here. Don't go anywhere. Come.
When is it gonna be? At the fullness of time, but like a show. Cause nothing can be hidden under the sun forever.
Oh boy, yeah.
Forever. So be careful with everything you do. Yeah.
Who's that?
It's me. Tomorrow, come on, my God.
Why are you like this?
I don't know. Good afternoon, Kopuside. Good morning. Whichever one.
Anyone you take, no problem. Yeah.
Something went wrong in my house. Yes. Norma slumped in my house. Huh? I had to run out of the danger before they start accusing me of doing this one again. Eh?
Slump quoi?
She slumped. I don't know where she was coming from or where she was going.
But what?
Why is waiting now, Subu?
What happened then?
I don't know.
Oh.
How are you?
Why is your face like this?
Why can't we have peace in our home? What have we done?
Well, she will definitely get better again. Don't worry. And as for you, Wakego, Stanley's change of attitude towards you, I know it could be due to depression. So you just don't worry. Stay at home. And after a while, I know when he's done, he will definitely come back looking for you. So you don't worry.
Okay, Papa. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I hope nobody knows about the transaction, the money, the wealth, everything.
No, not such thing. Nobody at all. No. Don't you trust me again?
Not at all. I trust you so much.
Okay.
I trust you.
Good.
I just that I want us to be very careful. So how is the building project?
Oh, it's going perfectly well. Okay. It's just that the contractor is asking for more money.
Oh, you actually need some money?
Yes.
Don't worry, I'm going to send you 5 million tomorrow.
Wow.
Okay?
That's good. That'll be nice.
I trust you so much.
Okay,
make sure that all the transactions are in your name.
Sure.
Project everything in your name.
Very much sure. They are there.
Okay. I'll be on my way. Ego. I'll be on my way now.
Thank you, Mom.
Don't discourage, okay?
Thank you, Mom.
It's alright. Just stay safe as you go.
I will.
Don't you know life could turn in a twinkle, and the first becomes the last. Last becomes the first. They say pride goes before the fall. Yeah. It's why I'm standing twice as tall.
That is no problem at all.
What have we done?
Nurse, please, I'm looking for my mother. There's a woman that was brought here not quite long. She's my mother. okay, please calm down. Calm down. The doctor will soon be out.
Don't tell me to calm down.
Calm
You
down.
don't know how it is with me. Okay, I want to ask a question. Is she still alive?
Yes.
She's alive?
Yes, she's okay.
Okay, where is she now? Let me see.
Please tell me now.
And whose decision is that? Yellow monkey. Look at me working tirelessly to make your life better. And you're here talking nonsense to your own mother. Are you mad?
Yes, I know you're my mother. But I've also come of age and I can tell the difference between good and bad.
Animal.
What's all this?
Animal. Decision to know a good wife and a bad wife. Really?
Mother, honestly, I am not comfortable with the woman you want me to take as a wife. Unless there is a secret you're not telling me about.
Shut up, mouse. Just shut up. Are you mad? Shut up.
Mama, you slapped me.
And I'm going to slap you again if you don't shut up.
Pain in the morning and pain.
You slapped me.
I will slap you again. Stupid.
When is it gonna be
Baby.
over?
Baby. Wait.
Yeah.
Listen, if you talk back at me again, you don't like me. I will go red right now.
Tell me now.
Allow me explain now. At least let me explain what happened. Allow me explain.
Explain what? That Purity's mother is in coma. My own happiness should be in coma.
I don't like the way you're treating me. I don't like the way you're treating me. You just treat me as if I'm nothing. It's not fair. It's not fair. Oh, it's not fair.
Oh, baby. Baby. If not for the fact that I have jewelries, I have money, I have cars, I'm in doings, would you have had my time? And again, you threw my clothes on the floor. You threw my own clothes on the floor. Listen, let me tell you, you are here because of the money, no love. So enjoy it. Enjoy it.
That's your pride goes before the fall. Yeah. It's why I'm standing twice as tall. Hate is an enemy, but love is a good neighbor. No one is an island. Everybody needs somebody, someone to call upon when you're down.
Hey! Hey! Who are you? What are you doing here? How did you get in here?
There are so many secrets closed down under your feet, which you cannot see. So I cry. An innocent woman down in comatose, and I, a madman.
When you're down and out, someone to.
What in God's name are you talking about?
You were born with a silver spoon. Instead of you to live on top of your world, you are rather living as a slave in your own paradise. So I cry.
Listen, my friend. I asked you a simple question. How the hell did...
Sorry. Pain in the afternoon and night.
Mama!
When is it gonna be over? Yeah.
Stanley!
Please tell me now. Oh, please don't you mock
Who was that?
my pain.
It was a madman. I don't know how he got in here.
A madman?
Yes.
So what are you doing with a madman?
What am I doing? How? I met him here.
You want him to bite you? That is what they are known for. He could bite you and give you tetanus.
Mama, I'm telling you, I just met him here and you're telling me...
It's okay, it's okay. I am sorry. I did what I did out of frustration. I was frustrated. Please, I am sorry.
Frustrated, you say?
Yes, frustrated. But I'm sorry.
Please forgive me.
That I will forgive you now. You still slap me again.
No, I will not slap you again. I won't do it again. I promise. Trust me, I won't do it again.
Mama, are you sure you won't do it again?
I won't do it again.
And the first becomes the last.
Come, let's go inside.
The last becomes the first. Cause nothing can be hidden under the sun forever. Forever. So be careful with everything you do, yeah.
This is no more a hiding matter.
My brother, it's no more a hiding matter at all. Because if Norma eventually dies, God forbid, if she eventually dies, there will be no hiding place for both of us.
I'm telling you, you see that wicked diabolical Nweke? She's going to involve us.
And you know, this little money she gives to us will not help us at all. I am telling you, I don't know what put me in this mess.
My friend, stop lamenting on what put you in this mess. Focus on a solution to it.
What solution are you talking about?
My friend, let's go.
Let's go.
Are you ready to reap what you sow? Reap what you sow.
Kuma.
Sometimes you try.
Kuma.
It's not just about Kuma, but can she survive it? The shock was too much.
Even if she will survive it, how do we raise the money for the hospital bill?
I have given the little one I had to support the one you and Amaka brought.
Well, as for me, I just brought the one I needed to bring from where I had it.
That's good. God will certainly not allow anything happen to her.
Amen, amen.
What about Ikoku and Akadike?
That's true. They couldn't even come to the hospital to see her.
Okay. Have you forgotten? How can they come?
I'm surprised too.
But let's pray that the woman, nothing will happen to her.
Even with money, some people still die with coma. God will help them.
Let's pray, because once it happens like that, we are involved.
Right? Okay.
Can't you see that relationship is not healthy?
Very unhealthy. What bothers me most is the way he brags. If it wasn't for my money, if it wasn't for my jewelries, my shoes, my bags, my like rubbish.
Well, there's no problem. But I would advise you to calm down. So you can achieve so many things from him. Mostly now Purity's mother is in coma.
Right? No problem, but the way he treats me like I'm nothing.
Oh, Gabu, you still need to calm down.
I've heard you, teacher.
Yeah, teacher.
Are you not my
Am I the one that taught you when you were meeting?
Stop, Joe!
Obasi, I came to show concern over Stanley's act towards your daughter.
What stupid consolation is that? Should that be an issue to be discussed? If even there is any to be discussed, we should be talking about that helpless woman lying in coma on the hospital bed. In fact, drink and leave this place.
Meaning what? Meaning what? Are you not calling me a drunk? So, is that what you are saying? You call me to your house to come and drink kai kai? Is that the reason you invited me to this?
Everybody needs somebody.
How is the family?
My brother, how are you today? I knew you must be here.
Meaning? Anyway.
Criminal like you offering me a drink? Eh? You drunkard man! Ungrateful human being. Let me tell you, it won't be well with you and your idiot friend, Ikoku.
Just look at you.
Ungrateful monkey.
Anom Pamam. Fighting without any achievement.
What dirty achievement are you talking about? Setting your goals on the pains of innocent ones without minding the tears coming down their cheeks, and you call that achievement?
Cry.
I should cry?
Yes. Cry. Cry your own cry.
If you dare me,
what will you do?
I will deal with you.
Kadige, you are a foolish man, let me tell you. I said you are a foolish man. Idiot like you.
So ndebo madu na-ekwu. Two of you. Even though my friend Ikoku is not here, does not mean that two of you will stand me.
You and that your evil and wicked friend.
Akadike, you can't do anything.
It will not be well with you.
Akadike, I warn you for the last time. What I can't go offer. Makam me make you for. Akadike me make you for.
Leave him alone. I know what to do to you and your friend. I will deal with you very well.
You,
Akadike, I said be careful of your words.
What will you do?
What will I do?
Yes.
I'm just looking at you as at my hand.
Two of you cannot.
I will. When I have been done with you, Akadike.
You and that your wicked friend that did not come here.
Pain in the morning and pain in the afternoon and night.
Where is this useless woman? Where's that useless? Where is this evil woman? Come out here! Come out here! Wherever you are today, you're going to feel my wrath. My mother is just at the hospital, but I swear with my life, you're going to be in your grave today.
Don't you mock my pain?
Come out! Where can come out? Oh, come out! I am not leaving this house today. I am not leaving this house until you come out and tell me why you have chosen to be a bloodsucker. Come outside, though. Come outside, though. Come outside, though. I'm not going anywhere. You shall meet your end today. I'm not scared of anybody. What is this madness? Eh? You better come out, though. Come out. Come on, on this side. You will come out. You will come out and meet me because I'm not going anywhere. What kind of rubbish is this? Eh? Am I sure about one? Eh? Come outside, though. You better come outside here. Come outside, though. Come outside, though.
My voice swooped like a flutter. Try to keep your head above the water. Under the water. Try to keep your head high. Oh, overcome. You will overcome.
What is it, Jude? What is it? Is there anything wrong?
Nai, I have been looking for you everywhere. I even went to your house but you were not there.
What is what?
But thank God you're here now.
What is the problem?
Calm down. Say something.
Auntie Purity is fighting Stanley and his mother.
Fighting?
Yes.
Why?
Huh?
Oh my God, now who they cause this trouble? Now what do you want to get on? Yeah. Wanna be like Fimo? Yeah. Wanna be like Fimo?
what is really going on. So my mother actually fought that woman and she denied it. Now she's lying unconscious in the hospital. What if something happens to her? Wait, am I doing the right thing getting my mother to fight guilty on her mother? God, please, I don't want anything to happen to that woman. I don't want anything to happen to that woman. Please, I don't want anything to happen to that woman.
Why can't we have peace in our home?
Purity.
What have
What are you doing here? What are you doing in my house? Ogini?
I came to see you.
You came to see me for what? Evil son of an evil woman. What have you come here to do? Like, you think I'm scared of you? Listen, I am not scared of you. So go myself, I'm going to face you squarely.
Purity. Purity, I came to make amends.
What do you want to amend? Eh?
Listen, I'm very sorry for the way I treated you and your mother. Okay, I don't know what came over me, but I'm sorry. Okay, I want you to forgive me.
I should do what?
Forgive me.
Listen,
please.
I don't want this nonsense. Just take your miserable self out of this house and never repeat this journey again. You will not like me. You think I don't know you?
Purity, please.
I know what you want to do.
Purity.
You want to kill me.
Purity, listen.
For
what?
You want me to be close to you so that you can have every avenue to kill me. Ooh, Daria.
Purity, I'm sorry.
Let me tell you, my head is too strong. Cecilia. Woo!
Purity, listen to me now.
It's true. When you want to kill somebody, you want to make friends with the person. Woo! Can I work for you? Cannot kill me. My head is too strong.
Purity, I'm sorry.
What have we done? Oh.
Didn't I tell you your relationship with Ekene will not work? It's not healthy.
I even told him. I said, okay, give me this money, let me give to Purity's mother. At least, by the time the mother gets better, she will pay. If you see the way he shouted at me, get her from here, get her from here. He almost pushed me out of his presence. This relationship, no, it won't work. It's not working.
Now, wow. Even if he denies you, well, at least he should assist you in this one now. He should.
Ha! Amaka, don't worry. Everything is going to be fine. It's going to be histories.
I hope so. Do not worry yourself. God is in control. Nothing will happen to her.
Jude, what happened?
What is it? What? Why are you crying?
It's Auntie Purity and Uncle Stanley.
Again?
What happened this time?
Auntie Purity attacked to slay Uncle Stanley's mother.
Slay?
Yes, slay. But thank God Uncle Stanley defended his mother.
I'm coming. I'll see you. I need to see Purity.
Oh my God.
Jude, come and go to the house now. Allow her to go.
Now what do you want to get on?
So, Mama, I seriously need to get back to the city. You know, at least to rest my head. Just look at the way I left my job pending.
No problem. I'm not saying you shouldn't go back to the city, but as you get there, hurry with everything you're doing. Come back, let's quickly go and pay Waka's bride price.
I'll miss you.
You're not saying anything.
Mama, I've heard you. I've heard you.
Good.
Mm? But please, before I get back, I want you to settle everything you have with your mama. Because I will not come back to this village to fight for anybody. I won't do. I don't have strength.
No problem, but you know she's always looking for my trouble. I'm a very peaceable woman. Like she will always come to make trouble with me. But since you said I should make peace with her, no problem.
Please make peace, Mama. Oh. Make peace. I have to be on my way now.
Let me see you today.
That child will not get it personal. That child will not get it love. That child will not get it love. If it become a leader, have to that child will not get it.
I only stole it to help someone. I stole it to help a
Help who? I
stole this girl to sell it, so I can pay mom's purity hospital bill. That's why I stole the pill.
You are a liar.
No, I'm not a liar. I promise.
You stole goats. As small as you are, you move.
Just the child like say. Like say no be mama gonna move. I'm like see love will be like a horse. See love, you know go feel.
Her conspirators, brother. Oh no, she. And they want to join hands to fight us.
It's a very serious issue. And you're laughing like this. Can you please calm down? This thing is very deep. It's more than you can imagine.
Mama, I don't understand you.
Listen. The future is bright. But it will be brighter if we ever succeed in our plans in getting rid of that witch in the hospital or you marrying Stanley. If not, what will befall us? The darkness that will engulf us and becloud us, even the electricity of the highest of electricity bulb will not be able to brighten it. So that to tell you that the situation is tight. Tight.
No, wait. Darkness. Norma, whether dead or alive, cannot stop the brightness of our future. Or is she an angel of darkness?
Just calm down. See this thing I just told you now. No other ear should hear it. It's a top secret. Even my son Stanley shouldn't hear of it.
Mama, even your son Stanley?
Yes.
Whether good or bad, you're not meant to hide and keep secrets away from him.
My head hurts. In fact, my head is full. Just give me a little break. Let me calm down a little. Can't you cut down more?
Mama, since your husband's death, Stanley has been both a son and a husband to you, remember?
Yes, I know that.
Mama, you're not meant to hide secrets from him, good or bad.
I know. But you see, I don't understand why you're talking like this. Stanley is a young man. So also his brains. They are young. They are not mature yet. He is young, so also his brains. You see the reason I want him to marry you that is older than him, so that you will help build up his immature brain.
Mama, his brain. To help him grow his brain.
Yes.
I don't understand. I don't
understand it.
Sometimes you try really very hard to overcome.
You didn't tell me you were coming.
Life won't let you down.
Is everything okay, Papa? Echo.
I didn't tell you, just boredom. I was alone in the house and decided that I should stroll. That's why I came. Okay. Can we see outside?
Oh, okay, no problem. Hey, excuse us, no?
Wait, stop forcing your son on me.
What? Lower your voice. You know she's in the sitting room. She may hear you. And you will spoil everything. Lower your voice.
What I'm telling you is this.
Just shh.
Don't you know life could turn in a twinkle?
Whatever I'm saying now.
Reduce your voice. Even if you want to talk, reduce your voice.
Okay. The issue is this. I said, stop forcing your son on my daughter. That boy is mature enough to take a decision.
No problem, Anugom. I've heard you. I've heard you.
Good. So, I've told you, let that get into your skull.
Don't you know life could turn in a twinkle? And the first becomes the last. Last becomes the first.
What is this? What has come over Obasi? Why does he want to ruin this golden opportunity we just got? What? My head is full. My head is full. I don't even know what else to do or what else to think.
Hate is an enemy. But love.
What is it? What are you doing with my God?
It was very, very stupid to ask me such a stupid question.
Mama.
It is very, very useless. Listen, I am out to deal with all my enemies. Akadike, starting from you.
What?
Is in what? Are you stupid? Did you not say what? Are you mad? Are you stupid? I said what? Are you a madman? I said what? I said what? Listen, hey, keep quiet and listen attentively. This is going to be the very last time I will come here to warn you to leave my mother and I alone. What wrong have you done?
Nothing.
Why? What?
Nothing.
Why the conspiracy? Why is it too much?
Nothing. He's here.
Mind your business, woman. Mind your business. Stay in your space and allow us stay in ours. Do you understand? I will not warn you again.
Don't kill your mother. Don't kill your mother.
Shut up with my mother. What did you say? What did you say? Don't joke with me.
Ikoku! Oh my God! Hey! Ikoku! Akadi, what happened? Why are you panting in this manner?
Purity attacked me in my farm this morning.
Attack? Purity?
Hi.
Attack you?
She even seized my gun.
Eh?
Hi. If not God, I would have been a dead person.
Oh, Coco!
I said this.
I said it. I said it that there is going to be a problem.
Hey! She even gave me a message to you that you are the next person. That she's coming for you. I'm telling you.
Coming for me?
Hi. Where are you running to now?
Hey, Deepa, see, let me tell you the truth. Eh? This purity of a girl can never be molesting everyone in this community. Eh? What is wrong with that? We have to fight back. We have to fight back. But what can we do? Let's call the police. Let's call the police. Eh?
We are man. Police, have you forgotten the law in this our community that forbids anyone from calling the police except the king? If he can't handle the case, and now the king is missing, who is there to decide?
I know, but we have to call the police. Dimpa, we have to call the police.
Trouble, what?
Hey!
Who's pursuing you?
It's Purity. Hey! It's Purity. It's attacking me, not just me, everybody. But she said my own trouble will not just be double, but triple. This I want to kill me.
You caused it. When you were causing problems all over the place, you never knew that it would boomerang, Abi? You didn't know it would boomerang. But now look at it, you are running helter-skelter. Look, you should carry your purity problem and go and sort it out outside, not in this place. I am not part of it. Are you hearing me?
Obasi, is that all you have to tell me? When you should be consoling with me? Are we not in this whole thing together?
I should console you.
Okay, I am not going anywhere.
You must leave us.
Let Purity come here and kill
you cannot
I am not going
this
anywhere.
This is my apartment. You must go and fight your fight outside.
When you were eating the money, what were you?
Yes, you brought it. You must leave my house.
Don't touch me.
I tell you must leave my
Don't
house.
touch me.
No, you must leave this house. Hey!
Reap what you sow.
Why are you running?
Try to keep your head above the water. Under the water.
So what do you want me to do?
Try to keep your head high.
I don't understand. What do you want me to do? Ha. When you were setting the fire, you never knew the fire would consume you. I asked you to settle your differences with Purity's mother. You don't listen. Well, for your information, I'm not going to marry Wakego. You can go ahead and marry her. I just made my point, Mom.
Life will toss you out.
Nonsense.
Life will bring you down. Life will make you cry. Sometimes it seems there's no other way.
It's in pew pew. It's in pew pew. No, it's in pew pew. So your husband thinks he can actually conspire against my mother and I for doing nothing and go scot-free. My dear, it is not done. No, don't ask me that question. Go and ask him. He knows what he has done. Him and his cohorts. Tell them that I am a woman, but I am a woman with the spirit of a man. I'm a lioness. I am not scared of them. I am ready for them and I am coming for them.
Sometimes you try really very hard to overcome. Life won't let you down. Life will make you cry.
I don't know why you guys are calling me a thief.
what you sow. Reap what you sow. Are you ready to reap what you sow? Are you ready?
Hey, what have I gotten myself into? I can no more sleep. Since Akadike told me that this useless girl is after me, I can't sleep again. What is happening to me? Ikoku, what is happening to you? What am I doing? How can a girl continue to terrify me in my own village? It's terrible. It's terrible.
We are here.
Woman, what is it?
Now, guess who I saw on my way coming?
Who?
Going to the farm.
Who?
I saw Purity.
You?
Purity, no? Yeah.
You say? Is she coming this way?
Purity. She said I should tell you to mind yourself.
Me?
That you should stay out of her way. In fact, she said she's coming after you.
After me? Me?
Anna, you need to see the pain. What's up, I'm not coming to me. I can't open my door. I don't know what to do.
If she comes around, tell her I travel.
Are you ready to reap what you sow? Reap what you sow. Are you ready to reap what you sow? Are you ready? Sometimes you try really very hard to overcome. Life will let you down. Life will make you cry. Oh, it will break your heart. Don't you give up, 'cause you will overcome. You will always overcome. So overcome. Always overcome. Overcome. You will overcome. Overcome. You will overcome. Life will swoop like a flood. Try to keep your head above the water. Under the water. Try to keep your head high. Oh. Overcome. Don't you give up, 'cause you will overcome. You will always overcome. Yeah. Now who planted the seed of, this seed of discord? Everyone a kata kata, kata 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 kata. Every day wahala, yeah. Don't you know, whatever goes around comes around. Somewhere, somewhere.
Why can't you talk small? What do you want?
Night, come and eat your food. Your lunch is ready.
Food? Do you think I'm hungry? Okay, bring the food here. I cannot come to the house. Bring the food here.
For how long will you continue hiding? How long?
Hey. Obidia, don't worry. The tension will come down. The elders have just summoned the meeting. They are going to handle her case. Don't worry.
No, but you've not told me what is binding between you and that girl. What is between both of you that she's just in particular about you? She just after you.
Be careful. Just go and bring the food. Bring the food here. Please. I cannot come home now. Please. Bring the food. And don't tell anybody I'm here. Please.
I can't continue like this, so.
Please.
You don't want to open up, Abby?
Please.
I can't continue like this, so.
Please.
Reap what you you sow? Are you ready to reap what you sow? Are you ready?
Sister, if you see the way they were mocking me, they were shouting, mocking at me. They were calling me thief. Onyeri, Onyeri.
It's okay. It's okay.
Stop crying.
You are not a thief.
You are not a thief.
Stop crying.
They're calling me thief. But sister, they were mocking at me.
It's okay.
You know I wanted to save her soul.
It's okay.
Don't run. No, do not run. I mean no harm. Eh? This is... I mean no harm. Eh? You see, this money is for Noma's hospital bill.
Who are you?
Noma's hospital bill.
Who are you, please?
Noma's
Don't touch the money! Don't!
Sometimes you try really
This is
very
money.
hard
Cash.
to overcome.
You don't need this money.
Life will let you down.
Why did you touch it?
Life will
You don't need this
make
money.
you cry.
Sister,
Oh,
you don't need this money for. I hope you. Sister, in first, if you don't need the money, I need it.
Don't you
To bear, I want
give
to.
up, 'cause you are overcome. You will always overcome. So overcome. You will always
Come outside.
What are you doing? Eh?
Is that supposed to be a question? Are you mad?
For activities has not permitted me to come and see your mother in the hospital.
You must be a very stupid man. How dare you remind me of my pain? How dare you remind me? Move! Shut up your mouth and get inside. Say, move it. Move inside, idiot. Move. Listen, come move it. Move it. Come move it. Are you mad?
reap what you sow. Are you ready to reap what you sow? Are you ready?
Move it. Frog jump. Frog jump. Oh. Give me that stick. Hold on. Hold on. Give me that stick. Your hands on your head. Frog and go down, useless man. If it is to put, do it for. You'll be number one. I move it. Frog it down. Move it. I'm on power. A artisan. Go down. You have not seen anything yet. You have not. Useless, evil-minded. Please. I'm going to deal with all of you in this place. So like, by the time I'm done with you, please, you move. Move. I said move. Are you mad? Are you? Go get out. Move.
Please.
Does it mean that Jeze and Obior and his friend are exempted from this meeting?
I wonder. Not really. It's just that they volunteer themselves as Norma's guardian angel.
What are you talking about? No, what do you mean?
that they are her intercessors. And they went to assist Norma to pay deposit for her treatment.
But that was yesterday.
Oh.
It's better they are not even here. Because the same people that will still go and tell Purity what your plan
That is what I mean. That is what I mean.
You see, that girl must be stripped. She must be stripped naked and taken around the community.
Or even worse, that girl should be killed. She's so arrogant. You should have seen the way she attacked me. Do you know that? I almost urinated on myself. I was physically shaking. Is that how a woman should behave? A girl.
So what do we do? Thank God the youth president is here. Obinna, we are delegating you now. Go and get other youths and bundle her to this
Bundle
place.
her.
We are not saying tomorrow now.
Now consider it done. Consider it done.
No. You don't need to wait for tomorrow to come. You don't need to bundle me. I'm here already. Useless, stupid people. Useless elders. You have come once again to conspire against my mother and I. What have we done to you, Okoki the elder? What did we do? And all your evil will catch up with you someday. You! And you, Njege Becca, I am coming for you. The way I'm looking at you. And I'm you want to join them. Join them. Useless, stupid elders. Ifroy, you call yourself a woman, a mother for that matter, but you're so evil. Tell me what a woman is doing in an elders meeting. What are you doing here?
Am I not
with
an
a child?
elder?
With your child?
I'm an elder.
I don't have time to talk to you. You told him to come and bundle me. Come and bundle me. Come and bundle me. And Ania, if you are not scared of a woman, come and bundle me. You don't know the woman, the past woman. You don't know. Woman, the past man to join. It's yours. Useless. Step up. It's yours. Down.
See why I said this girl needs to die. Have you seen why I said this girl must die?
You should have bundled her when she came in here. Why did you leave her just go away?
With that gun.
You just one gun. Oh, you people are afraid of ordinary gun. Ordinary gun.
Look at Africa. Africa said with one gun.
Mama, this girl's focus is mainly on you. I suggest you go and make peace with her. If not, you know now.
I think you're right by what you said. But how can I stoop so low? Just approach her for forgiveness. No, now. She'll see me as if I'm a coward.
Mama, no. Mama, you're not bowing down to her. But you're bowing to her gun. Eh?
No problem. I will do as you said. And that will make her see us as good people.
Mamijia, you're gonna wake up!
And it will give me an opportunity to strike her in my own way.
Perfect, Mama.
Oh yeah.
Perfect. Eh? I trust you now. Eh? Mama, let's go.
Hey! And I may move to Mama,
Cause nothing can be hidden under the sun forever. So be careful with everything you do, yeah. Tomorrow they come home. Oh my God. Now who they cause this trouble? Whoa, now what do you want to get? Now what do you want to get?
The lion stood up, set his face at the neck position and bit it off. And the tiger roared. Then the snake came to bit the lion. The lion became weak, and then the tiger attacked me, and the tiger later attacked and killed the lion. And the tiger roared. The snake came and bit the lion.
Hello.
Hi. Sister. That's welcome.
Jude, how are you?
I'm fine, Auntie Mimi.
How? Where's Amaka?
She's inside.
Call her for me. Call her.
Auntie Amaka. Let me go fetch her for you.
Your body. Hi, Amaka. How are you coping in this area? What will I do now? Forget about me. Look at you. See your hair. See your
Amaka, leave me. Please take me inside because.
Hey,
let's go. I'm in baby.
Same madman. Why does he run away each time he sets his eyes on me? Who is he? What has he got with me? Does he know me or something? Who is he?
Now, wow. So Purity is passing through a lot. And she can't even call or text me to have the knowledge of it. Do you plan for problems? Nobody planned for it now. Everything happened between the twinkle of an eye. Chai, just like that.
Now, wow.
Now, wow. It's well, it's well, my sister. You won't understand the situation. All I can say is it is well.
I will try and convince her to follow me to the city. At least let her make some money and take care of her mother's hospital bills.
Do you know her mother is sick? She should leave her dying mother. Her mother is in coma.
That's the more reason why she have to leave this village and follow me to the city. So that she can save money and pay for her mother's hospital bills.
Okay. I pray she understands that. I just pray she understands.
I'll try and convince her.
Okay. And what they do me now, my brother, you see Jude, is gradually becoming a very big thief in
God
this village.
forbid. God forbid.
It's already happening. He's stealing. He's stealing.
Jesus Christ. My sister, God will not shame us, oh?
As well. As well.
Just listen to yourself. Are you not stupid? No, are you not stupid? You're not ashamed that a guy who's younger than you is being forced to marry you? Are you not supposed to look for your mate? Or better still, look for someone who's older than you? Listen, I'm not interested in this rubbish. I don't love you. You're very stupid. You're very, very stupid. Don't worry. Very soon I will find out that plan you have with my mother. Mama, I was just playing with her. I was just playing with her. Mama, I've come of age. I'm old enough to know what I want. I don't love this girl. I don't love her. Mama, I have a choice. I have a choice. As a matter of fact, you have to take it or leave it. I have a choice.
I'm taking myself for one day. Maybe this one.
This is the diamond baby. Silver. Sit here. Come and sit here.
Where she from? Why she dey local like this?
See her hair, she acting so. She gets to live.
Why you acting like that? They carry the first for again when they say they it's a balancing customer. You don't get it. Jana, your own. You know they see ways.
You know they see us front.
In this one, I'm more. Mimi, what was that? I mean, who are those irresponsible girls?
Calm down, eh? Calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down, no. You have gone if I'm nature. You have gone if I'm back and No, wait. Because I'm not a child. Don't tell me you brought me to the city for me to become a prostitute.
Nothing like prostitution here. Huh? Calm down. See, just use your brain. Eh? Any man will enter your way. Eh? Run in brain. Collect money, then you move. Before you know it, you don't get plenty money for your mother's bill.
Hey, so because of my mother's hospital bill, purity, the purity of the Most High, will not become a prostitute. Eh? Is that what you're trying to tell me?
See, babe, let me tell you something. Eh? Now I don't give you the formula. Eh? But no let madam no say na game you won't play. Yeah?
Calm down.
Calm down.
Let's go.
There's no other way.
Good day, Mom. So you decided to see me outside my office today. Hope everything is fine.
Yes. No, doctor.
Okay.
I promised to give you 1 million naira. Apart from the 1 million naira I'm promising, I will stand as an assistant in your opening your hospital.
For what? Give me 1 million for what?
I want that woman in that ward dead.
You want the woman dead? Which woman?
The one in the coma.
The one in coma? The one you put in that condition? You want her dead? Stop that! After putting her in that condition, you still want to kill her?
Doctor, lower your voice.
If you don't leave my presence now, I'm going to expose you.
I'm sorry, doctor. I'm sorry.
This is wicked!
Sorry.
God! I said leave my presence! This is so wicked! What the This community, the tradition has a way of covering evil acts. She has the guts, the evidence to come before me, Jesus, to demand such an heinous act. She wants to kill this woman. God.
Hello? Anybody in this house? Anybody home? Anybody home? Hello? Hello? Wow, look at my baby. Look at your 30, 20, 50.
Hey, I have told you not to mention my name.
Come on, Angel. I got plans to love you. It's me, Ekene, aka Baby Maintenance.
Thunder fired out your mouth. A big thunder will fire out your mouth.
Moi.
I am not your class. I am not your class. am not like your girlfriend, Amaka. We are not on the same page.
Wakadima, you are my love. I got plans to love you. Look at your 30, 20, 50. Baby, you got bright future behind you, baby. You got bright future behind.
You are a big fool.
Moi.
A big fool.
Ekene.
For your information, I am engaged to Stanley. Leave me alone. Now get out of my compound. I don't have time for you.
Ekene.
Get out!
Moi, Ekene.
Yes, you. Get out.
AKA baby maintenance. I know. Don't worry. You will come back and beg. I got the swag. I got everything. You will come back and beg me.
Not in this life. Get out!
Don't worry.
I don't have time.
But baby, don't worry.
Get out.
But you know what I love about you? I love your 30, 20, 50. You got bright future behind you, baby. Baby, you got bright future behind you, baby. You got bright future behind you, baby.
Upon the huge amount of money I promised this idiot, the fool rejected my offer. I will never give up because I must surely send Norma to her grave. The next time I'm going to strike, I will not fail because Weke does not fail, never fails. Why? Does she have how many lives? 10 lives? This idiot that has wasted all his life in somebody else's hospital will not even respect his old age. Idiot.
Wow, so beautiful. Now can we go inside? I said, can we go inside now?
Go inside and do what?
I've already paid.
Paid for what?
For you.
For me?
Yeah.
Okay? Sorry, I don't know what you're talking about.
What do you mean?
What I'm saying is that I am not interested.
I said I paid already.
What do you mean? What do you mean you paid for me? I am not interested. Okay? If you know who you gave your money, go and meet the person. And of course, if you need women to satisfy you. So there's a lot of girls here.
We are here. Yes, she's not ready. I'm available.
Are you hearing that? They're available. Me, I'm not.
I'm going to report you right away to your madam. What is...
No need to report. Cross, come. Okay.
Why they come out?
Life will make you sometimes it's there's no other way to overcome.
See, Potty now. You think say you get something?
Sometimes you try.
No!
Really very hard to overcome.
You go come, you go let this beer, they do anything.
Life will let you down. Life will make you cry. So be careful with everything you do, yeah. Tomorrow they come home. Oh my God, now who they cause this trouble? Troublemaker. Now who they cause this wahala? Now who they cause this trouble? Now who they cause this wahala?
Idiots like you. If I say you don't know what it is, not nonsense to come here come to. You don't speak English. Now English you don't speak. See, make I tell you, Purity, I be waiting and call you Purity waiting. Not be nonsense that they tolerate for this place. You they here. I will hear this. Shut up! Shut up! It is not nonsense you come here come to. On a joke. Now they carry you enter this place come do abi. Shebi you see all this here. Shebi you see what they come here come do. Shebi you see all this thing where you gather. Use what you have and get what you want. Now be this one. Ego money. Next time if you try that rubbish where you come here come they do. See you. See you. I will show you what. My girl! My girl!
Now we there here!
My girl!
Now we there here! Wait, Mama they talk. Mama they talk. I go carry 3 men at the same time.
Just I didn't use her, now she use her.
Another person I come with it.
What I can see.
Who dey?
Find your money, my sister. What did you get me and
Well, Amaka, you've seen it for yourself. In cases like this, it takes 5 or more weeks for the patient to come around. But in this case, though we thank God, we don't have money for treatment. And it's really worrisome.
Doctor, please, I beg of you, you need to help this woman. See, I promise the moment the daughter comes back, she will make a refund. Please.
Well, Amaka, sincerely, it's not about me. It's not about me at all. I'm not the owner of this hospital. I'm just an employee here. I don't have a say. I'm so sorry. I trust God that with the help of the Earth's oxygen, she's going to be revived very soon. Let us believe God. So just calm down. Take care. You'll be fine. Take care.
Life will toss you out. Life will bring you down. Life will make you cry. Sometimes it seems there's no other way to overcome. Sometimes you try really very hard to overcome. Life won't let you down. Life will make you cry.
My person. Fine boy. Waiting happen. I gentle Jerry, I did. How your side now? Why you come there like this? Waiting they do you. Waiting they do you talk. Talk. No talk am again. You can. Now mother sharp they follow you talk. Tell me, waiting be the problem.
Madam sharp, he choke well, they choke.
Waiting choke. You enter my territory. You say you choke. Don't talk am 2 times now. Don't let ear hear am. Don't talk am 2 times. Let me know. Talk, my fine boy. Give me that smile now. Give me that smile. Now my territory enter. For here, I get better wine. As in when they say wine. This one, it download. Wait till he carry for back. Hey, up a show. He enter. Smile now. And they follow you talking. Just as like say the thing not they enter your body. Yeah?
Are you serious?
Now matter sharp they follow you talk. What do you mean? Don't worry. Calm down. Give me that smile now. Give me that better smile. No say like I know what you do like.
Bring her from the room.
My fine boy. I beg, give me that smile again. I dey come. Okay.
Life will toss you out. Life will bring you down. Life will make
Yes, come inside.
Sometimes it's there's no other way.
Good afternoon. How are you? Kisses.
You try really very hard.
I told my mother.
Purity.
Life will make you cry. Oh, it will.
Who knows how she copes over there? Eh? When last did you hear from her?
I called her recently. The way she was sounding, my sister, she wasn't sounding as if she was okay. concerning Nikki at all.
I'm really worried about her. Over her mother's predicament.
Me too.
Hi. Ezra.
God knows the best. Stop.
God knows the best. My sister, let me take my leave.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Take
care, yeah.
Okay.
I'll call you later.
Thanks, thank you. Okay.
Sometimes you try really very hard to overcome. Life won't let you down. Life will make you cry. Oh, it will break your heart. But don't you give up, 'cause you are overcome. You will always overcome. So overcome. You will always overcome. Overcome. You will overcome. Overcome. You will overcome. Life will swim like a flood. Try to keep you.
Hey. Yes. Oh yes, I am here. Wow, the house is sparkling clean. I never knew you were down to earth like this.
It's nothing, I mean, it's normal chores.
Oh yes, because I have never had anyone clean my furnitures this way.
No, it's nothing. I also want to use this medium to thank you for giving me shelter over my head. I mean, not everyone will do that.
You're welcome.
Right. So, let me just go ahead and...
Are you sure you're not tired?
For cleaning the house?
Yes.
It's just the basics. I mean, why should I be here?
Alright, then I'll just leave you.
Alright, when I'm done, I'll set the table.
Sometimes you try really very hard to overcome. Life won't let you down. Life will make you.
How are you?
Alright.
Wow. I never knew you this beautiful.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Purity. You see, there's this feeling I've been nursing inside of me for a very long time. Yes. And I think it's time for me to let it out.
Okay, tell me about it.
Purity. I'm in love with you.
What?
Yes. You see, every time I come close to you, I fall deeply in love with you. And every day that passes by, I fall again and again and again. Listen. Give me a chance to prove my love for you. I promise you, you will not regret it. I will take care of you. I will also take care of your mother. All I want is just one chance. Please.
I don't know what to say.
Please. Purity. Darling, how are you?
Fine.
Why is your face like this?
Nothing.
No, come. You don't look bright at all.
Not really, but let me go back to what I was doing.
Wait.
Okay. Not now. Not now, please.
It's alright, so carry on with your work.
Sometimes you try really very hard to overcome. Life won't let you down. Life will make you cry. Oh, it will break your heart. But don't you give up. 'Cause you are overcome. You will always overcome. So overcome.
So you don't end this with your hands. God is God. Sit down with me. Mama.
Hello, man.
Hey, Mr. Man. I hope you're not referring to us. I hope you're not talking to us.
I'm referring to you. You.
Me? Hi! God just delivered Amaka.
A very big deliverance of that.
Look deliverance.
You got wrong one day.
Damn.
It's not them. You too, them.
Damn.
You got wrong one day. Let's
go
wasting our saliva with this charlatan.
Charlatan, not your
Don't worry. You will hear from me.
Yeah, God really saved our friend Amaka from me. I've got step here. Cynthia, na kwa kosi aga. Bupu imi bupunti. Onyo wa. A very big one at that.
Here you are again. All worried.
I just can't help it. I am seriously worried about my mother.
Don't worry, everything will be fine. I believe.
This is what you keep saying. Everything will be fine, everything will be fine, and it keeps getting worse. My mother's sickness is getting out of hand and it's really getting to me. You have no idea how I'm feeling. I'm not happy about it. I honestly have to do something to save my mother's life.
Don't worry. I think we'll go to the village. Alright? Because I've been praying seriously for your mother's health. I'm sure she's going to be fine.
Going to the village, that's okay. But it still doesn't stop the fact that I have not been myself. I've been scared.
It's alright. Just have faith. Okay? She'll be fine. It's alright. You see, Mama, Purity is driving me mad. She's the girl I must marry. Yes, so that's my plan for now.
Will you just shut up? Shut up! What impudence? What gave you the right to open that your rotten mouth to speak that rubbish before me? Are you mad?
Have I said anything bad there?
You've said everything wrong and bad. No. You've said the worst thing of your life.
No, Mama. Listen, I must marry Purity. I love this girl so much.
Are you mad? I am talking, you're talking. What's that?
Mama, you slapped me.
Yes. And I'll keep slapping that your senseless, idiotic face until something gets into your head.
Mama, am I not old enough to make my own choices?
Are you mad? You hold me like that? hand alone. Leave me!
Don't you dare try to slap me again. Mama, I'm only letting you be today because you're my mother. But I swear the next time, the very next time you try to slap me in this house, I will kill you.
Hey. Hey. What is going on? Hey.
Sometimes you try really very hard to overcome.
So what do you think will be the marriage reaction?
Amaka, I don't know. Honestly, I have no idea. I'm just so confused.
I know one kid will never, she will never be alive to see both of you link up together.
I know. But he guaranteed me that he will have everything sorted out. I just hope it happens because my head is full. God. My heart is beating fast. What is it? Why is your face like this?
She slapped me.
Slapped you? Huh. I knew it. I mean, I said it. I'm sorry, darling. I didn't mean for this to happen. I'm so sorry. Just follow your heart. Please, I don't want you hurt. Please.
It's alright. I'll be fine. Okay?
I don't like this whole thing. I don't like it.
Don't worry. It's fine.
Wait, where did she slap you?
Was he actually?
Sorry. Sorry.
It's alright.
Sorry, what cheek?
Yeah.
Obasi, if this thing should happen, it will be a huge slap on my face. I'll be so ridiculed and shamed at the end.
I have told you to take things easy.
I'm going to take things easy. Oh yeah, Obasi. Do you know that Stanley affiliation with these witches, stupid witches, is like a whole battalion of soldiers fighting one finger, one individual, one tiny civilian.
Hey, all my years of following Stanley everywhere has gone to waste. Eh? How will people look at me in this community? How will they look at me?
Just calm down. Don't worry, I think everything will be alright. They will not succeed. Eh? They will not succeed against us. It's 3 to 3. Is it not like that? We will succeed over them. Benwaka, just excuse me. Let me talk to your father a little while. Oh, I'll get back to you. Oh, just calm down. Everything will be alright. Oh?
Yeah.
And you two have to talk to her. Obodo just telling me take it easy.
Yeah, I will.
Obasi, you know me, I'm concerned about my wealth. Everything you're doing now, you have to add a little effort. Speed things up. Especially that building project. Because I sense trouble. Big trouble. Prevention is better than cure.
Actually, I'm trying everything possible to make things faster. I'm trying to fix things up, don't worry.
That's alright. So how about the Jeep?
Yeah, the Jeep, I decided that I should park it at my friend's compound, my neighbor, just close by, yes.
Okay, how about the workers?
As for the workers, I've paid them money that can sustain them till the end of the month.
Wonderful. Let me fight this battle first and get to the root of it.
But just take it easy. Why?
I'm trying. I think I have to be on my way now.
It's alright.
Okay.
Be careful.
Just do as we said.
No problem.
Why can't we have peace in our home?
It's a lie. What are you saying? You like raising your voice. What will? Hey, my brother.
There is problem.
So terrible. A very big one. Not just problem. A very big one.
Yeah. Even if he doesn't want to marry Nwakego, for reason best to know to him, it shouldn't be purity.
Imagine. Nweke's rival. Anyway, I said let me inform you so
brother,
that you will know what is happening.
You did well. You did well. What are we going to do about this?
Anyway,
let me escort you.
I want to be on my way because before you know what is happening now, the girl is like, she has people giving her information of what is going on. I come out there.
Akadike. Nsogbu dekwa.
People go there. We go come now.
Ngwa jisike.
Okay.
Yeah. It's why I'm standing twice as
My love, please consider the times we spent together. Please.
Why are you being so selfish?
Please don't say that. I'm not.
Yes, you are. Because you're not thinking about my own feelings. What I want. What all this?
Just have a flashback. Think back about the good times that we spent, we had together, please.
Listen, I did all that because I wanted to impress my mother. Okay? Right now, I think I'm grown up to know exactly what I want for myself. And this is not what I want.
Please.
Stop!
Please, don't do this to me, please.
What's wrong with you?
Please. Please.
Stop this thing you're doing now.
Stop that rubbish.
Don't stop. I don't like it.
What are you doing here?
I'm here to see him.
Leave my house.
Mother, you can't ask her to leave now. She came to see me. Okay? Let me have some time with her.
Get inside the house. You man.
Mother, stop.
I said leave my house. Want me to drag you?
Mother, stop now.
Get inside.
Mother.
Get away. Stupid. A man should come after a woman, not the other way around.
Mother.
Oh, shut up and get inside.
It's why I'm standing twice as tall. Hate is an enemy, but love is a good neighbor. No one is an island. Everybody needs somebody, someone to call upon when you're down and out, someone to lean on to when you.
Why are you treating me like this? Suddenly you're breaking my heart. You're just hurting me. You're just treating me as if I'm a nobody. I'm a stranger to you. I will tell you something that will benefit you for the rest of your life. You just trash it and throw it away as if it does not matter. As if I don't matter in your life.
Oh, I'm very sorry. Okay? I promise you I'll change. I'm sorry.
When? I know you want me to die before my time. You want to send me to my early grave. That is your plan.
Mama, why will you talk like that?
If not, what else? Why will you be doing these things you're doing?
I don't want you dead. You're my mother. I want the best for you. I'm truly sorry, okay? Please.
Please stop crying.
I'm sorry. Please, Mom, I'm sorry.
If you want me to accept this your apology, promise me you'll never go back to that witch girl. Yes. See the way you withdrew.
Because you did not mean it. All the apologies does not matter. It does not mean anything. Make the promise now. Make it.
How dare you spend my hard-earned money on those fools?
What money are you talking about? Spare me all that. The same money that was made even before you married my father. Yes, I know that fact.
You dare raise your voice at me?
I'll raise my voice.
I will slap that your rotten tongue out of your mouth. Are you mad?
Another slap?
Yes. And I will disfigure your face with slaps.
Mama!
What?
Why will you slap me like that now?
I will slap you and I will fight you.
Mama, stop.
I will fight you till it's finished.
Mama, leave my clothes now.
Don't you dare touch me.
Remove your evil hands. Remove your evil hands on my clothes.
Be evil.
Yes, Mama.
Be
Remove
evil.
your hands.
Then kill me.
Remove your evil hands on my clothes.
Be evil.
Yes, Mama.
Be
Remove
evil.
your hands.
Then kill me.
Mama, leave my clothes.
Kill me.
Mama, I'm going to commit sacrilege now.
Then do it.
Hey, Stanley. Don't do that. She's your mother.
No, let him hit me.
You don't have to fight back.
Go ahead and hit me.
Please. Really?
What are you doing here? What are you doing here, witch?
Hey, you don't have to do that. She's your mom.
All right.
That's what she
No
does
problem.
to me every time.
Hey!
Every time
You
this
dare
house,
fight
she
me!
in this house.
You dare fight
Mama!
me! Ah!
What have you done? Mama!
Purity! Oh, my car keys. My car keys. I'm coming.
Mama! Mama!
Purity!
Mama! What have you done? Mama!
Purity! Oh, my car keys. My car keys.
Pain in the morning and pain in the afternoon and night. Don't you know life could turn in a twinkle, and the first becomes the last. Last becomes the first. That said, pride goes before the fall. Yeah, it's why I'm standing twice as tall. Hate is an enemy, but love is a good neighbor. No one is an island. Everybody needs somebody, someone to call upon when you're down and out. Someone